My last new technology is Goodreads. I chose Goodreads because it's a great way to find new books to bring into the classroom and to keep track of books that have been read in my classroom digitally. Users on Goodreads are able to review books, collaborate with other readers, and keep lists of books that they want to read or that they have read. My goal with Goodreads is to bring more genres into my classroom, bigger variety of books that I read aloud to my students and provide them to read independently, and to keep track of what I've read with my students. I think it'd be cool to see how many books we read throughout the year. My intended audience on Goodreads could be my coworkers. However, I'd be using Goodreads for myself and for my students, but collaborating with coworkers and even parents on Goodreads for what books we're reading would be a great opportunity. And again, I've listed my standards here. So here is my page on Goodreads listing my books right now. Right now I don't currently have any children's books on there. I've got books that I'm reading for another class and just reading this summer. But this is where I could see what I'm currently reading with my students, what I have read with my students, and what I want to read with my students. I can browse categories on Goodreads, such as children's, to find new book ideas, and they even have one specific book listed here. When I go to the category Children's, I'm already presented with a bunch of new books that are new releases, but I can keep searching to find other options. I can also search for books, then tag them with have read, am currently reading, or want to read. And then when I searched that book before, the book with no pictures, they listed other books that readers of that book have enjoyed. So this book just ate my dog, a perfectly messed up story. So Goodreads is just a great way to kind of have an online library. You can even add all the books you have in your physical classroom library just to keep track of what you have, what you think of it, and to communicate with other readers for new ideas.